Hello everyone. Today let us see something about deletion, merging and redistribution in BTree. In the previous slide we have already seen how we can insert nodes into BTree, what is a BTree, all those things. Now today let us see how we can delete the things from BTree. So if you consider this particular example, you can see the characters in the leaf nodes, characters starting from A to Z. So here all the characters are distributed in the leaf nodes in the ascending order, and in the highest in a particular node the highest element will be copied over to the next particular level, and from the next level once again the highest characters will be copied over to the root. So that is the rule of construction of BTree. So this is a BTree. Now let us see how can we delete something from BTree. So if you consider this particular example, that is deletion of C. So the C character is in between the node. So what will happen when you delete C? It will affect only to the leaf node, because that C character is not there in the higher levels, so it will affect only to the leaf nodes. Now if you are going to do some particular deletion which affects the highest level, then what will happen? Let us see the next example. So suppose you are going to delete the character P from the node NOP. So P is the highest character. So what will happen when you delete the greatest character from the node? It will affect the next level also. So because when you delete P, the greatest character in the leaf node will become O. So when you have greatest character as O in the leaf node, the same thing should be reflected in the higher levels also, and the same thing should be reflected in the root also. So this is in the case if you are deleting the largest character in a leaf node. Now suppose if you are going to delete a character H, what will happen? You are going to you have the order of BTree as 4. Then when you delete character H, your node will have only one character now, which we can tell it as underflow of node, because if you have order as 4, your node should carry at least 2 characters, that is at least half full should be there in your node. If your node is less than half full, then we can conclude that it is underflow. So if you have underflow condition, then either you can go for merging or you can go for redistribution. So here we can see the example of merging, where what I have done is only one character is left out, that is I. I have taken that I to the previous sibling and I have joined it there itself. So in the previous sibling we had only EFG, one place is left out. So I have copied that I to that particular place, and I can remove the whole node or I can reuse it for some other purpose. So this is called as merging option. Now let us see what is the redistribution. So if I delete H, as we know, it will become underflow. So what will happen? What I am going to do is I will balance both nodes by copying one character from the previous node to the other node. It might not be one, it can be one or two characters depending on your order of the tree. So what I am going to do is I will copy the characters such a way that both nodes should not become underflow. So both nodes will be balanced now. So what I have done, G I have copied to the next particular node where H was there. So H I have deleted, and in that place I have copied G. So these type of options we are calling it as redistribution. So this is about deletion, merging and redistribution of BTree.